Hey lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Afros and I hope you've already subscribed. If you've not, please do so in the red button below. So today I'm taking you through the twist out method, which is basically taking out your twists and having a protective hairstyle on your 4C hair so that you don't have to keep manipulating it by combing it out, because that leads to breakage. So let's just get into the video. What you need is your hair that's already been twisted. If you've not, you can start by twisting your hair, after which you now sleep on it or keep it for a few hours, after which you unravel it and you get the perfect twist outs for your hair. So I already did my twists. I shared the video here. If you've not seen it, please do so. I'll link it down below in the description bar. So I have these twists on, and what I'm going to do is to make sure that they are moisturized enough. You don't want to comb out your hair if it's not moisturized. And then after it's been moisturized, I'm going to just like undo it, but I won't comb it out. So I'll start with my moisturizer. Today I'm using the coconut oil moisturizer. It's from Pwani, the home of coconut. So I'll just moisturize my hair using just a bit of the oil. After making sure that the hair is moisturized, I'll then just go ahead and start unraveling it. It's so much easier to unravel the hair if you didn't borrow a lot of hair when you're making your twists, because that leads to tangles. So you remember I started by mini braids at the base of my hair. I'll just undo them gently. And that's how it comes out. You can see how coiled and curled the hair is, and that's what I'm looking for. I just go ahead and show you how I undo the twists quite easily by starting from the base and like twisting in the opposite direction. You want to be gentle with your hair, and you can see I did some bit of borrowing here, and that's the reason it's not coming off so well. So as much as possible, avoid borrowing hair when you're making your twists. Once the twists are out, what you get is what we're calling the twist out. So what you'll do is that you won't comb it off. And you will get your well-defined twist out style hat. This is how it looks like, people. So what I'm going to do is just unravel the whole head one by one. I have quite a number of strands done. I'll just keep on twisting in the opposite direction. And undoing my hair. Gently like that. And then I'll just undo the mini braids at the base. hair. It's coming off nicely, and the look is going to be even better after I'm done. So I'll just get into it and finish all the strands. Eti nywele haipendi maji? Uongo. I think that's just a myth, because water is moisture and moisture is what we feed the hair. So the next time you have a date where you're out and it's raining, don't worry about your beautiful man. Just worry about how you're going to handle it later on. Probably just seal in the moisture that your hair has gathered with some oil and enjoy your day. Water doesn't really cause breakage. Our handling of our hair is the reason for breaking hair. What do you think, guys? Let me know down below in the comment section. Is it a myth or a fact? So I'm done unraveling my hair, and this is how it looks like. At this point, I'll not comb it out or stretch it because I want to retain the curls. But I can play around with the unraveled strands so that I can get the right volume that I would desire. So for example, I just take random strands and separate them into two because this gives it more volume. And of course, volume affects the style that you want to finally have on your head. Just randomly choose those that are still quite big and separate them into two, like that. So I will possibly just keep it for now. You can keep styling it in whichever way you want according to your comfort and preferences, and then keep it moisturized. Moisture is a very, very significant factor in keeping your fussy natural hair protected, and it show it some love and it will just surprise you with the growth and the health and the length and the volume and everything positive that you want out of your hair. Keep it styled according to what you want. Every day is a new day. You can try different styles for every day, and it doesn't get boring with this hairstyle. And you can keep it for whichever length of time you want, after which now you will comb it out. Watch out for my video that I'm going to do about how to just make sure that you don't break your hair while trying to get this out, because especially if you leave it to dry out, it can be quite a challenge when you want to now get a new style. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and keep spreading the love. I love you.